Hey everyone, welcome back! Today, we're diving into the top 3 high-end robot lawnmowers. These tech-driven gadgets not only save you time, but also keep your lawn looking fantastic all season long. In this video, we'll cover the Segway Navimow H500E and its top competitors, the Husqvarna Automower 430XH and the Worx Landroid Plus WR167E. Let's break down their features, pros, and cons to help you find the perfect robot mower for your lawn. First up, we've got the Segway Navimow H500E. If you love smart home tech, this one's for you. It's wire-free, which means you won't need a boundary wire to keep it in check. It uses a special RTK Plus vision system to navigate with pinpoint accuracy, which is especially handy on lawns with intricate layouts. And it's quiet too, just 58 decibels, so you can let it work at night without disturbing anyone. But there are a few downsides. The Navimow H500E covers up to 1/4 acre, so it's best for smaller lawns. And while it's high-tech, some users report issues with setup, especially on uneven terrain. Repairs can be on the pricier side, so keep that in mind if you're looking for something budget-friendly. Pros: wire-free setup. Eliminates the need for physical boundaries, allowing users to easily set and adjust virtual boundaries via the Navimow app. Precise navigation. The RTK Plus vision technology offers centimeter-level accuracy, ideal for intricate lawns and tight spaces. Quiet operation. Runs at a low noise level, making it suitable for use at any time without disturbing neighbors. User-friendly app. Offers real-time monitoring, schedule control, and an animal-friendly mode that detects pets. Cons: limited coverage. Restricted to lawns up to 1/4 acre, making it less ideal for larger properties. Setup sensitivity. While the setup is easy, some users report issues with its navigation precision and the need for additional adjustments on uneven terrain. Costly repairs. Replacement parts and repairs can be pricier compared to models with fewer advanced features. Now, let's move on to the Husqvarna Automower 430XH. This mower is built for larger lawns, up to 0.8 acres. So if you've got a lot of ground to cover, it's a strong choice. It also includes GPS navigation, helping it mow systematically, and even track the mower if it ever gets stolen. With its weatherproof build, it's perfect for rough terrains and slopes up to 24 degrees. On the flip side, the Automower 430XH does require a boundary wire, which can make setup tricky, especially if you have an irregularly shaped lawn. Plus, it's a bit louder than the Navimow, so early morning or late night mowing might be off the table. Pros: high coverage. Mows lawns up to 0.8 acres, making it suitable for larger spaces. GPS navigation provides efficient, systematic mowing, which is enhanced by an anti-theft feature that tracks the mower's location. Durability. Built to withstand tough weather and challenging terrain, it includes a weatherproof design and slope handling capabilities. Long battery life. Delivers extended runtime, covering more ground before requiring a recharge. Cons: boundary wire requirement. Unlike the Navimow H500E, this model requires a physical boundary wire, which can make setup time-consuming and challenging for irregularly shaped lawns. Higher noise level, slightly louder than some other robotic mowers, potentially limiting its use in quiet neighborhoods. Price: positioned at a higher price point, which may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. And finally, we have the Worx Landroid Plus WR167E. Covering up to 1/8 acre, this mower is best for smaller to mid-sized lawns. It's equipped with a smart app that allows you to control the mower from your phone and even includes obstacle avoidance with its anti-collision technology. Plus, it's modular, so you can add accessories like a rain sensor and GPS tracker as needed. Pros: cut-to-edge capability. Minimizes manual trimming as it mows close to lawn edges. Smart adaptive mowing. Adjusts mowing schedules based on lawn growth, weather, and sun exposure. Easy app connectivity. Includes Bluetooth for straightforward smartphone pairing and Wi-Fi updates. Customizable options. Offers add-ons such as obstacle avoidance and temporary area exclusion, helpful if you frequently rearrange garden accessories. Cons: limited slope handling. Manages inclines up to 35%, which may not be sufficient for very hilly yards. Dependence on boundary wires requires boundary wires for defining mowing areas, which can be cumbersome to install and adjust. Smaller mowing capacity, limited to 700 square meters, making it less suitable for larger lawns. All right, so which one should you choose? Let's break it down. Segway Navimow I110N, best for small lawns and tech lovers who want a boundary-free experience. Husqvarna Automower 430XH, ideal for large lawns with challenging terrain and those who need a heavy-duty mower. Worx Landroid Plus WR167E, perfect for small to mid-sized lawns with flexible accessory options. Each of these mowers brings something unique to the table. The Navimow I110N's wire-free design and precision are great for smaller, intricate lawns. The Husqvarna 430XH offers powerful performance for big lawns, while the Worx Landroid Plus WR167E is budget-friendly and customizable. So, think about what matters most to you: size, features, or flexibility. And let us know in the comments which mower is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more lawn tech tips. See you next time.